Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for the attention attendance. I will to provide about proposal description of the economy education. The first is preliminary, the second is literature review, and the third is research method, and the fourth is appendix. With the title is the influence of learning interest, learning motivation, and emotional intelligence on student achievement in financial accounting subject in 46 Vocabulary High School Jakarta. Chapter 1 is about introduction. Background of the study. Background of the study is the four aspects. In the first is advancement of science and technology. Advance of science and technology lead to change in society. This change has resulted in social problem in society. Education here is tasked with solving social problems that occur in society. The second is vocational high school. Vocational high school is education institute that has complex activities and industrial production in employees maybe and parties. The third is in vocational high school is about department, BPS data, and observation. The fourth or the last is of learning achievement factor. This factor come from within student or internal and from other student or external. Internal factors include psychological factor and physical factor, while external factors include environmental factor and instrumental factor. The next slide is about research question. The first question is about, is there an effect of learning interest on learning achievement? The second question is there an effect in learning motivation on learning achievement? And the third is there an effect emotional intelligence on learning achievement? The last is there any effect of learning interest, learning motivation, and emotional intelligence on learning achievement? It's about research units is one is object research and the second is subject research. The next slide is about purpose of the ration. The first is about determination of the effect of study interest of learning achievement. The second is to determine the effect of learning motivation on learning achievement. The third is determine the effect of emotional intelligence on learning achievement. The fourth is determine the effect of learning interest, learning motivation, and emotional intelligence together on learning achievement. The next slide is chapter 2 about theoretical study. In theoretical study, we have first is interest in learning. Is about definition of interest in learning. The second is factor, and the third is how to generate interest in. The second is learning motivation. In learning motivation, we have to explain about definition of functions, barriers, and how to drive motivation. The third is emotional intelligence. In emotional intelligence, I will present about definition of the second is factor, and the third is measuring learning achievement. The fourth is hypothesis. The fifth is theory framework, and the last one is foundation result. The next slide is about learning interest. Definition about a learning interest. Omar Hamalik states the interest in learning will encourage students to learn better than learn without interest. Interest arises when the students are interested in something because it is accordant with their needs of the something to be learned feels meaningful of them. The factor in learning interest have two. The first factor is about factor for within or internal. The second factor is factor of outside or external. The third is how to generate interest. The first is generation a need. The second is connecting with the problem of past expenses. The third is about profit exchange for good result, and the last is using various forms of teaching methods. The next slide is about learning motivation. The first is definition. According to Hamzah B. Uno, states the motivation to learn is an external drive for students who are learning to make change in behavior, generally with several indicators or supporting elements. The second is functional of motivation. The first is motivation encourage individual to achieve. The second is motivation serves as a guide. The third is motivation serves as the driving force. The third is about kinds of learning motivation. The first is intrinsic motivation. The second is extrinsic motivation. The last one is the learning motivation is ways to drive motivation. The first is giving number. The The second is prize. The third is gift. The fourth is work in group. The five is competition. Six purpose. And the last is purpose. The second slide is about emotional intelligence. In emotional intelligence, Mustaqim in definition is emotional intelligence refers to the ability to understand one's own feelings and the feelings of others, the ability to motivation oneself of different or relation to others. The second is aspect. The first is obsess awareness. The second is manage your emotional. The third is make produce use of motivation. The fourth is empathy, and the fifth is build relationship. The next is about measuring emotional intelligence. The first is knowing one's own emotional. The second is regulating and managing their own emotional. And the third is being able to know other people's emotional. And the last is have a sense of empathy of theirs. The next slide is about achievement. The first is the factor, the second is definition, and the third is measure of learning achievement. The first is factor. In the first factor, we have two factors. The first is factor of the internal and the second is external factor. Next is definition. Several dari Jamarah, the learning achievement is the result of education assessment of the progress of students after learning activities. And the last next is measurement of learning achievement. The first is cognitive domains, the second is affective domains, and the last is psychomotoric domains. The next slide is about relevant research. The first research is about effect of learning motivation, learning interest, and emotional intelligence on learning achievement by Hengki Irawan. The second is influence of learning interest and emotional intelligence on learning achievement with Kabela Putri Rahmawati, Sutrito Jajal, Bambang Yudhyo, Murtafiyah, Istiana, and Indah Mayang Purnama. The third is about effect of learning motivation and emotional intelligence on learning achievement with Firdaus Daud, Aswin Jahir, Eko Wahyudi Nugrahadi, Mira Gusniawati. The last is influence of learning interest and learning motivation on achievement learning is Sekar Aguya Loras. The next slide is the theory homework. According to Istiana, interest has a big effect of learning content because in the subject matter being student in according with the interest student, it will the optimal the student will not master the lesson and the result learning achievement will the how. According to Siri Hayati, stated the material being studied assimilated and connected to knowledge that list has been processed out. The third is according to Firdaus Daud, emotional intelligence affect a positive and real towards learning achievement. The last is according to Rahmawati, that student interest in learning is closely related to the rest learning achievement. This is because with the interest in learning, student will be serious in the following of the learning process in the school. In the next slide is about hypothesis. First is there's an influence positive learning interest on learning achievement. The second is there is a positive effect of learning motivation, learning achievement. The third is there is a positive influence of emotional intelligence and learning achievement. The last is there is a positive influence of learning interest, learning motivation, and emotional intelligence together on learning achievement. The next chapter is chapter 3 about research method. Design research. In this study, research used a method survey with a rigorous approach. The method was survey chosen because it collects information from respondents using a questionnaire. Then, the researcher used description-tested data analysis with a quantity approach. Place and type of research. Place is 46 vocational high school. The population is student class 18 and 12, 46 vocational high school. Time is January 22 and March 2022. Sample is student class 1 and 2 to vocational high school. Method population and sample. The method is analysis of description stational data with a quantitative approach. With the population is the number is 144 populate. The sample is the study was developed from Isaac and Meral with an error level of 5%. The next slide is about learning achievement. Conceptual definition. Learning achievement is how students success in achievement premonition goals in the form of the ability to acquire knowledge, skill, attitude as measured by test instrument, other instrument. The next is operational definition. The third use the tool to measure the questionable or questionable learning achievement is industrial and cognitive, affective, and psychomotoric. The next slide is about learning interest. The first is conceptual definition. Learning interest is the student has to know something deeper. In the case is now financial accounting subject. It more detailed and able for learning with high interest and pleasure without any present cooperation. The second is operational definition. This study used a questionnaire measure tool. Indicator of interest in learning include student interest or research, student interest, student activity, and student understanding in learning. The next slide is about motivation learning. Data conceptual definition. Motivation is encouragement to move students to have using feelings and do something they like. With the operational definition, learning motivation has indicator of student awareness, the desire of students to have a good grades, always doing, achievement, not easily bored, and has goals. The next slide is about emotional intelligence. The concept of definition. Intelligence is an ability where a student can understand his or her own emotional and feeling as well as others. Operational definition. Emotional intelligence has indicator of recognition and feeling emotional, self-manage emotional, can use emotional for positive achieve and restrict the emotional of other, and be able to build relationship with other. The next slide is about measurement scale. Measurement of data of set variable x and y is done by giving a score for each answer from the question or statement in the questionnaire. The scoring in this study used a scale Likert. The Likert scale in his study used only for alternative answer. The form of scale Likert is the follow, like the table. The next slide is about validity and reliability. Validity is a measure that shows the validity level in an instrument. Reliability is an instrument used a data collection of tool. The next slide is about data analysis technique. The first is multi-file recognition analysis. The second is requirement analysis test. The third is testing hypothesis, and the last is test confidence determinants. Chapter 4 is about result and discussion. First is data description with the first is learning interest. The second is learning motivation. The third is emotional intelligence. The second is about indicator score of learning interest or X1. It's about of student desire to learn, student interest in learning, student activities in the learning process, student attention in the learning process, and student understanding of the material that has been processed. In the next slide is about frequency distribution of learning interest. In the first is about interval and histogram. The next slide is about learning motivation indicator score. The first is student awareness of learning. The second is student desire to have a segment score. The third is doing a segment to the maximum and according to allotted time. The fourth is to getting bored easily when learning takes place, and the last is having goals to achieve achievement. The next slide is about frequency distribution of learning motivation. The first is about interval, and the second is about histogram. The next slide is about emotional intelligence indicator score or X3. The first is recognition and feeling one's own emotional. The second is managing one's own emotion. The third is using one's own emotion for positive activities. The fourth is recognition the emotional of other. The last is building relationship with other. The next slide is about frequency distribution of emotional intelligence or X3. with an interval and histogram. The next slide is about multiple linear regression. The multiple regression equated in that 86.681 is the value of the constanta, minus 0.191 is the value of the conventional or B. 0.124 is the value of the conventional. If the value is conventional, is that mean at B are positive, which means that if interest learning, motivation to learn, and emotional intelligence has interest the learning achievement. The next slide is about normality test. In the normality test we have is first, from the result of the normality test, it can be the set. The first, the normality, the test using Kolmogorov stimulus show a signal value. And the second is the probability plot shows that the points spread around the diagonal line and follow the direction of the diagonal line. The next slide is about linearity. Based on the data, the definition of linearity is 0.244. This figure shows that the definition for linearity value is more than 0.05, which means that the data is linear. It can be conclusion that the variable of learning interest or X1, learning motivation, or X2, and emotional intelligence or XT have a linear relationship. The next slide is about hypothesis test with the TUC and FFUC. The first is conventional test of determination. Based on data in the table above, it can be that the value of R-score is 0.316, so the determination value is 36%. It can be concluded that the influence of learning interest variable or X1, learning motivation variable or X2, and emotional intelligence or XT together have a contribution percentage of 36% to learning achievement variable, while the remaining is 64% influenced by other factors and independent study. The last chapter is closing. The first is conclusion. The conclusion first is interest in learning has significant positive effect on student achievement at Vocabulary Hack School. The second is learning motivation has a significant positive effect on student achievement at 46 Vocabulary Hack School. The third is emotional intelligence has significant positive effect on student achievement at 46 Vocabulary Hack School. And the last is interest on learning, motivation to learn, and emotional intelligence together have a significant positive influence on student achievement at 46 Vocational Hack School. The next slide is about implication. The first is based on the result of the calculation of indicator score to learning interest variable. It shows that student interest to learning house low is caused by how the lack of interest in learning, such as student paid no attention to teachers, student kept counterproductive, consider lesson not important. Based on the rest of the calculation of indicator score from the learning motivation variable, it shows that students have desire in learning so that students are not easily bored when the teacher explains the learning in the classroom. This can be caused because the students have awareness the value the subject being, so the students take part in learning without feeling good. The last is based on the result of calculating of indicator score about emotional intelligence variable. It will be more difficult for a student to ever recognize their own emotional. Where students can understand their own emotion will find to easy abstract learning. Because of these two, students will be able to control their emotions that their learning achievement increase. The next slide is about research limited. The research it was conducted during COVID-19 pandemic caused research to limited understand the characteristics of the sample or student in depth. The third is the sample used the study was limited to students of class 18 and 12 majoring in accounting at 60 46 vocational high school. The next slide is about suggestion. The first is for teachers who teach student class of accounting and financial accounting subject in order to provide more interest material so that students are more enthused about participation. The second is for school. It needs to cooperate with parents so they can guide the supported children while studying at home. The third is about for future research. Research on learning achievement is expanded to able to explore other factors that can influence the studying achievement. Okay, I can be explain about my description journal. Thank you.